Thank you, Commissioners. I didn't dress up for you, but I do want to say my wife bought tickets to the hospital annual gala, which started 10 minutes ago. So I'm kind of in trouble, so I'll certainly make this within 3 minutes. We've talked about my lock. We've talked about the city not allowing me entrance. They removed my lock. I want to give a little historical perspective on this. January 31st, 2011, I asked Rick Fernandez, after a couple months of noticing the lock was removed, to simply return the lock that was illegally removed from by the city. I was told that the mayor and Jim English, the powers that be, refused this very simple request. March 4th, 2011, I asked the commission here to assist me in just getting my lock back. All I want is my lock back to have access to private property, which is not owned by the city. On May 27th, 2011, the city acknowledged their fault in removing my lock. The city manager apologized. She asked I forward them my expenses, which I did without any legal fees of $2,512.50. 60 days later, or 70, August 3rd, they contacted me, and lo and behold, I received a check from the city for $75. Now, that's just an insult. And if someone wants to play around and insult me, that's fine. I'm a patient man. On March 12th, I'm not that patient. I filed a lawsuit. Now it's been almost a year, and I've got nothing in a county courthouse. I now have legal fees of totaling $4,720, and so almost 50% of my legal fees. In response to this, the city, Jim English, approved to go out and hire a spy. Lord knows how much that cost, instead of paying the bills that they were owed. On March 28, 2012, members of this commission asked that I submit the expenses again to Mr. English, which I did. And I asked my attorney to write up a settlement statement, formal, to meet their requirements. And he did. It was very nice. I sent to the commissioners. And then he added on the attorney's fee of another $1,680 for the settlement agreement. Now, keep in mind, this is only 50% of what Jim English's, or the city manager, the mayor, pays for his attorney. So today, all I'm asking is that you seriously consider just paying the expenses, because my only option now, according to my attorney, is to go to circuit court, where we can get up to $15,000. All I wanted my lock. They keep dragging their feet. The legal fees keep building. And the only other thing I did ask, I don't want any family to have to be spied upon in private. Thank you. And in summary, it's not good policy to have one person make a decision on who's going to be spied upon in private. And none of these commissioners have told me that they knew anything about the spying episode. You folks need to be notified if the city's going to spend money spying on citizens. Thank you very much, and I'm off to my party. Have a good night.